so we took off the Whopper 130 here. We're gonna give the War Eagle chartreuse and white spinnerbait a go right here. I've caught a lot of fish on this spinnerbait, so hopefully it'll do the trick. I don't think they're gonna bite on topwaters right now, but we'll see. Probably a little bit too heavy of a setup for these spinnerbaits. There's a giant. What is this? This is a giant. What is this? Oh my God, it's a bass. Oh my God. Oh, stay down, stay down. Oh my God, this is a 5-pounder. This is a behemoth. Come on, come on. Gotta jump down here. Oh, yes. That is a giant. That is a giant bass. That's the biggest one I've ever caught out of here. He was barely hooked. That's a toad. It's an absolute toad. We're gonna get a weight on this guy. Look at that fish, guys. I thought it was at least like a 7-pounder when it hit. It felt like a carp. All right, so I finally got a scale here. Three-pounder. Wait, calm down. Stop. Yep, 3-pounder. It's not as big as I thought, but it felt like a giant. Right there, 2.85, about a 3-pounder. That has a giant mouth. That looks way bigger than a 3-pounder. Wow. That is a giant. It looks a lot bigger than a 3-pounder. That's a good fish right there. There he goes. There's one. One's just a bit smaller than the other one. There's a little dink. Whew. Caught him on that War Eagle spinnerbait right here. Chartreuse and white. Really dark but healthy fish right there. Nice fish. There's one. Feels like an okay one. That's a pretty decent one. Once again on that War Eagle spinnerbait. This is a great spinnerbait. I'm really liking it. I just purchased my first one about probably a month ago, and it produces fish, that's for sure. All that matters is if it spins right. And that bass really wanted it skinny, but pretty decent bass. There he goes. There's one. That's not a bad one. Oh, never mind. He was a fighter though. Very healthy fish in this pond. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Very pretty.